Now you can rip the paper. Can you rip the paper? Right here. Okay, you get the ribbon off. Okay, I help you, please. Okay, here, Liza. Look in here. Okay, rip it. There you go. Yeah, good job. There you go. Okay. All right, here. Pull right here. You did it. Yes, you did do it. Oh, is it hard? Here. Oh, let me. Okay, now pull there. Now pull there. Pull here. Here, bring it here and I'll help you, please.
Here, take it to Grandma.
Go get it and I'll help you. Okay, all right, here. Okay, open your box. She's got a ribbon stuck in her toe.
I can't work with a ribbon in your toe.
Okay, here, open this. Open it. Open the box. Here, look, right here. Open right there. Open it. What is that?
Is it a book? Amelia, Grandma's got yours.
Okay, here, look, here's yours.
What else is in your box? What's in your box? Pick up the paper. Oh. You what?
It's a book. Look at what it
Who
does.
is it?
That's a zebra.
Who is that,
Now look at
Amelia?
it.
Or
It changes
Liza?
to an ant. And an elephant.
Who's on your shirt? Who is that? Yeah, we'll wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna put it on right now.
What is it? You want to try it on? Okay, come here.
Okay, good.
I think we might have to get one size bigger in your
Yeah, there's Batman, I think.
Batman shirts.
I was gonna buy some at Old Navy, but they're all sold out.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
It's on.
Oh, cute. Is it Minnie? Show Daddy.
Aw, super cute. It's Minnie.
Oops, you missed your arm. Cute. Looky, there's some new pants. You want to try them on? No? You don't want to try your new pants on?
Oh, look at the one she's got.
I mean, if you would want new pants, you got those. You want to try your new pants on? You want to try these on? Yep. Okay. We have to fix it? Well, let's try them on and then we'll take that off in case they don't fit. Okay.
Those shirts are super cute.
Does it bug you? Yeah, it does kind of buggy, isn't it? Yeah, we'll take them off.
Cute pants.
See, look, they have a button on them. Okay, we'll take them off.